Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Astra theme header sticky. A sticky header is a fantastic way to keep your navigation accessible, enhancing user experience as visitors scroll down your website. If you are using the Astra Pro version, enabling this feature is straightforward with its integrated options. For those utilizing the free Astra theme, a few lines of custom CSS code will help you achieve the same professional look and functionality. With Astra Pro, begin by activating the sticky header module from your WordPress dashboard under Astra Pro modules. Next, head over to the customizer, found under Appearance, and then click on Header Builder. Here, you will find the sticky header option. Simply toggle on Stick Primary Header to make your main header sticky. Remember to click Publish to save and apply these changes to your live site. Astra Pro offers several options to customize your sticky header. You can enable a shrink effect to make the header slightly smaller when scrolling, saving screen space. Add engaging animations like slide or fade for a dynamic entrance. You can even upload a completely different logo specifically for the sticky state. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to enable the sticky header on desktop, mobile, or both, ensuring optimal display across all screen sizes. If you are using the free Astra theme, a sticky header can be achieved with custom CSS. Go to your WordPress customizer, then find the additional CSS section. Here, you will add code to set your header's position to fixed and ensure it spans 100% of the width. It is also important to add a top padding to your main content area, typically around 75 pixels, to prevent it from being obscured by the new sticky header.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.